Tension rod cabinet storage solutions for small homes turn narrow spaces into adjustable, low-cost organizers that save time and frustration. Start by measuring the interior height and depth of the cabinet and choose tension rods rated for slightly more than the measured width to ensure firm pressure without warping the cabinet sides. For dish dividers, place multiple rods side by side spaced by the width of plates you own, so plates stand vertically and are easy to slide out. Angle the rods slightly toward the back to prevent tipping. Use vertical tension rods secured between cabinet base and underside to create slots for pan lids by fitting the lids between the rod and the cabinet wall so they do not rattle and are easy to grab. Hang spray bottles by placing a rod a few inches from the cabinet ceiling and using S-hooks through the bottle handles so the spray heads point outward for quick access and drip containment. Create modular tension shelves by stacking 2 rods parallel to each other and laying a thin rigid board or non-slip mat atop them to form a temporary shelf for lightweight items like tea boxes or spice tins. For rods with S-hook accessories, add small baskets or utensils and distribute weight evenly so the rod remains taut and the cabinet walls avoid damage. When installing, use rubber end caps or apply thin foam pads to contact points to protect finishes and periodically check tension and hardware for slippage. Common mistakes are using a single, thin rod for heavy items, which causes sagging and possible cabinet damage. So instead, choose high-capacity rods or distribute weight across multiple rods. Another issue is poor spacing that makes items hard to reach. Measure and mock up spacing with cardboard templates before installing to get comfortable clearance. A final concern is neglecting surface protection, which can scar painted interiors. Place foam or rubber pads under rod ends and remove rods briefly every few months to dry and prevent moisture buildup inside the cabinet. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by helping us showcase projects and letting users search for professionals based on location and specialty. We also help contractors find work and build a reputation, and we host a discussion community where we exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world solutions.